Automotive Exhibition booth.
Now this is Cardot new product smart column system. So many cargoes. So many this start button and this. Yes, so many. Okay. So many. And this. Okay. This one. Yes. Smart key. Smart key. We have so many. Okay, so many cargoes. And so this is Cardot 2019 year new product, GSM GPS column system. I will introduce the stand condition about this product. As you can see in this video, this is main unit, Cardot main unit. This is GPS module. This is GPS main cable. This is GSM antenna. This is GPS antenna. This is a microphone, outside microphone. This is a start button. This is shock sensor. This is loading button. This one, loading button. And this is alarm LED. This is ignition cover. Okay, ignition cover. This is a gift for you. And this is 6-piece centimeter wires. Close my keys. This is logo. Okay. This is an example for Toyota. Okay. You can change smart key. Okay. Now this is alarm antenna. This is two pieces. Okay. This is personal keypad. This one. This is 6-piece light cable. This is main cables. This is standing condition connection. And this one's key start relay option, extra light. And then this one, this is a window cloud module. Press the mark button. It will lift the windows automatically by this module. Okay, it is working with our column system. And this is bypass module. Bypass immobilizer. Bypass. This one. Thank you. Microchip.